Alright, let's settle this once and for all. Can coffee really dye your hair? You've probably seen those DIY videos promising shiny espresso-colored locks using just a cup of joe. But is it legit, or just another internet myth? First up, what's actually in coffee that might color your hair? Coffee contains natural pigments called tannins. These are the same compounds that can stain your teeth or your favorite mug. So yeah, coffee can leave a tint. But here's the catch. That tint is super subtle. We're talking a soft brownish hue. It works best if your hair is already light brown or blonde. If you've got dark hair, don't expect a dramatic transformation. Now let's talk about how it works. Most DIY guides say to brew a strong pot, let it cool and pour it over your hair. Then you wait, rinse, and hope for magic. The reality? Coffee's pigment molecules are pretty big, so they don't penetrate the hair shaft like commercial dyes do. The result is more of a temporary stain that washes out after a few shampoos. So why do people keep trying it? Well, coffee is cheap, natural, and smells way better than ammonia-based dyes. Plus, it's less damaging than harsh chemicals. Some folks even say it makes their hair feel softer, thanks to the antioxidants in coffee. But if you're hoping to cover grays or go from blonde to brunette, you're probably going to be disappointed. Here's the bottom line. Coffee can give your hair a gentle, temporary tint. Think of it as a subtle filter, not a full-on makeover. If you want to experiment, go for it. Just don't skip the patch test and keep your expectations realistic. And remember, if you're after a bold, lasting color change, you'll need to stick with professional dyes. So next time you're sipping your morning brew, you can laugh at the myth and maybe give your hair a little caffeine boost just for fun. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And subscribe for more myth-busting science.